Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. We have the square root of x plus the square root of 2x minus 1 plus the square root of x minus the square root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. And from this, we to solve for the value of x. So to solve this, solution. So looking at this 2x minus 1 under the radical sign, this means that the value of 2x minus 1, since it is under the square root sign, it will be greater than or equal to 0. Such that with this, the value of x will be greater than or equal to 1 over 2. So picking this right here, we have x plus the square root of 2x minus 1. Now, since this is also under the radical sign, this will be greater than or equal to 0. Such that with this, we have that x will be greater than or equal to the square root of 2x minus 1. And if we square the both sides of this equation, this becomes x squared is greater than or equal to 2x minus 1. And if we then rearrange this equation, we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. And x squared minus 2x plus 1 can be written as, in brackets, x minus 1 all raised to power 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so at this junction, we are also going to say that right here, let u equals to the square root of 2x minus 1. So with this, we have that since 2x minus 1 is under the square root sign, this will be greater than or equal to 0, meaning that u will be greater than or equal to 0. So if we then square this equation, u squared is equal to 2x minus 1. So from here, if we then solve for the value of x, this then implies that the value of x is equal to u squared plus 1 all over 2. So with this, we can then rewrite this equation as, instead of x, we bring in u squared plus 1 over 2. So all of this equation then become, so right here, we have the square root of, the initial one was x, so u squared plus 1 over 2, then plus we have the square root of 2x minus 1, and this equals to u, so plus u, then plus we have the square root of, we have x 2u squared plus 1 over 2, then minus u, and this is equal to 3. So at this junction, we are then going to multiply this equation by square root of 2. So multiply this equation by the square root of 2, so times the square root of 2. So multiplying this, all of this equation then becomes the square root of 2 times u squared plus 1, then divided by 2 plus 2u, then plus the square root of 2 times u squared plus 1 divided by 2 minus 2 times u, and this equals 3 times the square root of 2. So with this, we can then express this as the square root of, so right here, this can be written as u squared, then plus 2u plus 1, then plus the square root of u squared minus 2u plus 1, in the sense that 2 will divide 2, 2 will divide 2. So we have this given equation, and this is equal to 3 times the square root of 2. So with this equation can be expressed as, we have the square root of u squared plus 2u plus 1, right? Following this rule, that if you have a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared, this equals, in brackets, a plus or minus b all raised to the power 2. So following this rule, this then becomes, in brackets, u plus 1 all raised to the power 2. Then we also have plus the square root of this also becomes in bracket u minus 1 all raised to power 2 and equals 3 times the square root of 2. So with this right here, this then becomes square root cancel square root. So we have u plus 1, then plus square root cancel square root. We have u minus 1, and this equals 3 times square root of 2. So with this, we are then going to recall right here that we said the value of u will be greater than or equal to 0. That u will be greater than or equal to 0. So recall. So right here, recall that the value of u is greater than or equal to 0. So therefore, we can then rewrite this equation as u plus or minus 1 plus or minus in bracket u minus 1 is equal to 3 times the square root of 2. So from this, we then have two cases. So for case 1, we have that u plus 1 plus u minus 1 is equal to 3 times the square root of 2. And for the second case, we have u plus 1 minus in brackets u minus 1 is equal to 3 times the square root of 2. So solving this, we have u plus 1 minus u then plus 1 is equal to 3 times the square root of 2. So minus u will cancel plus u. 1 plus 1 is 2 equals, and this is not equal to 3 times the square root of 2. So this means that there is no solution. There is no solution for case 2. Okay, for case 2. So u plus u is equal to 2u plus 1 will cancel minus 1, and this equals to 3 times the square root of 2. From here, if we divide both sides by 2, this then implies that the value of u is equal to 3 times the square root of 2 divided by 2. So from here, we are then going to square this value of u. So this then becomes in bracket u all raised to power 2 is equal to in bracket 3 times the square root of 2 divided by 2 all raised to power 2. So we have u squared is equal to 3 squared is 9 times square root of 2 squared is equal to 2 divided by 2 squared is 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So u squared is equal to 9 over 2. So from here, recall that right here, we said the value of u squared, right here, u squared is equal to 2x minus 1. So writing this value of u squared down, the value of u squared equals 2x minus 1 over to this side, that we have recall that u squared is equal to 2x minus 1, and u squared is now over 2, so this then becomes we have 9 over 2 is equal to 2x minus 1. And with this, if we move minus 1 over to this side, this equals 2x is equal to 1 plus 9 over 2. 1 can be written as over 1, so 2x is equal to the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1 we divide 2. 2 times 1, 2, plus 2 divided 2, 1. 1 times 9 is 9. And with this, we then have the equation that 2x is equal to 2 plus 9 is 11 over 2. Then divide both sides by 2. 2 we divide 2. The value of x is equal to 11 over 4. And from here, if we then go back to the condition of x initially, that the condition of x that we have is this, that x should be greater than or equal to 1 over 2. So writing down this condition, putting down this condition that the value of x should be greater than or equal to 1 over 2. Now looking at the answer that we got as 11 over 4, this is greater than 1 over 2. So this is the correct solution for the given question. With this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, kindly like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.